So, do you want to grow your lawn care business quickly? One of the best ways to scale fast is by working with property managers. They handle multiple properties, they offer steady work, and they need reliable contractors. This means there's huge opportunities. If you have a few great connections, you can have a full schedule. But it's not all sunshine and roses. And today, I'm going to break down the pros and the pitfalls and the best strategies to win and keep property managers as clients. Let's get into it. First, why even focus on property managers? You do it because you can grow fast. If you're prepared to call every property manager in your area, you'll land jobs quickly and persistence will pay off with steady work. Property managers handle multiple properties, meaning that you'll always have jobs to keep your schedule full. Now, another way that you can get these calls is to call into the office and leave a card at the reception, but make sure it's a magnetic business card because these will end up on fridges and filing cabinets. And this is prime real estate because the moment someone's thinking, I need a guy to do this job, they'll see your card and you'll get the call. But it's not all smooth sailing. Here's what you need to know before diving in. You can get payment delays. Large property management companies can be slow to pay. Stay on top of invoices, follow up politely but firmly. Now you're also going to have tight deadlines. Property managers often want jobs done ASAP. Equip yourself with reliable gear and get out to do those jobs as soon as you can so you meet their expectations. Another thing that you've got to watch out for is over-reliance on a few clients. If most of your income comes from a handful of property managers, it will make your business more unstable. You don't really want too much money coming from any one place. It's also going to make your business harder to sell. One of the best ideas is to set clear expectations up front. Let them know you'll handle the jobs promptly, but you expect timely payments in return. That way, it's a win-win. You both get what you want, and most people will agree that this is fair. Now, how do you secure more property management contracts? One, you be professional. Answer calls and emails promptly. They want a fast, reliable service. Secondly, offer regular maintenance packages. Position yourself as their go-to provider, not just for one-off jobs. Show proof of work, before and after photos. Build trust to get more referrals. And stay in touch. Even if they don't need you today, a follow-up email or a call will keep you front of mind when they do need you. So are you looking to grow your lawn care business to 10K a month without hiring employees or spending a ton on ads? Join my free community, Lawn Business Builders. The link is below. Now, have you ever worked with property managers before? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences and your tips. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lawn care business strategies. Until next time, get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.